Hi all, today I'm going to make a time-saving, nutritious yet easy meals for the lunch, especially for the office lunch boxes. Save time in making this delicious mushroom peas pulao in pressure cooker under 30 minutes. Serve with cucumber mint raita. Without the use of basmati rice, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pulao with the normal rice. Gently give it a mix. Now let's close it with the lid and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, I'm going to serve it for my husband's lunchbox, along with the cucumber mint raita. So try this nutritious healthy mushroom peas pulao for the quick lunch meals and also for the lunch box. Share your feedback and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.